Welcome to this video on why digital skills are now a performance requirement, presented by ForElite Training Institute. We'll explore how mastering the tools of modern execution is essential for success. Digital skills are no longer optional. Every modern leader must be a digital practitioner. The divide between technical and non-technical roles has disappeared, and relying on traditional methods is a risk to your performance. Digital skills drive efficiency and error reduction. Performance depends on leveraging technology to save time and maximize output. Digital tools can help override human error and handle repetitive tasks. Professionals with digital skills work faster and make better decisions. While technology provides the data, digital skill provides the interpretation. Speed is only an advantage when guided by digital literacy. Digital literacy is now the standard. Digital skill is the primary driver of ROI in today's workplace. Technology is your main interface, whether managing budgets or teams. To stay elite, your digital toolkit must be sharp. Our professional development courses offer structured, hands-on learning to help you build practical skills. Gain the digital confidence needed to save time and reduce errors. Join the elite and master your trade's tools. Ready to turn technology into your greatest competitive advantage? Master your performance with ForElite. Join the elite today. You can contact us via email, phone, or visit our website.